If you are getting the check your connection and try again either while logging into Snapchat. The first thing to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Restart your router if you are on Wi-Fi or toggle on airplane mode on your phone to reset the network connection. Next, clear the Snapchat app cache by going to your phone settings, then apps, then app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat and tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Sometimes app cache buildup can cause connection errors. Also check if Snapchat has any updates available in the Play Store and install it to fix potential bugs. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app to give you a fresh start. It's also a good idea to check Snapchat's server status online because sometimes the issue is on their end and you just have to wait it out. Try logging in from a different device or browser as a backup to see if the problem is device specific. If none of these steps work, contact Snapchat support for further assistance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.